Lakhimpur court on Monday sent Old News co-founder Mohammed Zubair on 14-day judicial custody. A case was registered against Zubair in November last year on the charge of promoting enmity. The court will hear Zubair's plea on July 13. Zubair is currently in judicial custody in Delhi. Zubair was arrested by the Delhi police in June 27 for allegedly hurting religious sentiments through one of his tweets. On Friday, shortly after Zubair got an interim bail from Supreme Court on a case registered in Sitapur for hurting religious sentiments, Lakhimpur police served him a warrant to appear in court. The Supreme Court then granted 5-day interim bail to Zubair in connection with an FIR lodged against him in Sitapur district, but he would remain in custody as per the order of Delhi court in other case. BJP leader Subramanian Swamy on Monday took a dig at Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The former Rajya Sabha MP tweeted an image that said, India is now 164th fastest growing nation in the world among 193 countries, from the third largest economy in 2011 to 164th in 2021, the image said. However, the PIB fact check which countries misinformation on government policies and schemes rubbished the claim. India slips 164th rank in the list of fastest growing nation in 2020 from being the third largest economy in 2011. PIB fact check, this claim is fake. India is the third largest economy in terms of PPP, the fact checking body tweeted attaching the viral image. Court on Monday posted for July 12 the plea of activist and poet Dr. P. Varvara Rao, an accused in the 2018 Bhima Koregaon violence case, seeking permanent bail on medical grounds. A bench of Justices U. Lalit, S. Ravindra Bhatt and Sudhanshu Dhulia posted the matter for hearing on Tuesday after Solicitor General Tushar Mehta requested to hear the matter tomorrow so as to place some documents on record. Allow me to place it on record and have it tomorrow. His interim protection is till tomorrow, Mehta told the bench. Rao has challenged an April 13 judgment of the Bombay High Court which had rejected his plea for permanent bail. The High Court, however, had extended the time for Rao to surrender before the Taljo prison authorities by 3 months to enable him to undergo cataract surgery. The Congress faced a big embarrassment today over its protest letter on the controversial Agnipath recruitment scheme for the armed forces. Senior leader Manish Tiwari, who had earlier handed the party moments of discomfort with public criticism, refused to sign the letter of Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, who was briefing a parliamentary committee on the scheme. Mr. Tiwari had verbally supported the opposition to the Agnipath scheme. Today he said he was in favour of the modernisation but was against the implementation of Agnipath. Still, he refused to sign the letter, the sources said. The letter listing a set of demands was signed by 6 opposition MPs, including Congress's Sakti Sen Gohil, Trinamool Congress's Sudeep Bandyopadhyay and Saugata Roy, Nationalist Congress Party's Supriya Sule and Rashtriya Janata Dal's A.D. Singh. President Rajapaksa Gopia has officially informed PM Ranil that he will resign on Wednesday, July 13, the Prime Minister's office said on Monday, after Saturday's sweeping protest in the rage over his mishandling of the country's worst economic turmoil. Prime Minister also said he was willing to resign and make way for all-party government to take over. On Sunday, the opposition parties held a meeting and agreed upon forming all-party interim government after the President and Prime Minister agreed to resign. The appointment of new president and the formation of new government will be discussed at the meeting as per the reports. Leaders of the protest movements have said crowds would be occupying the residence of the president and prime minister in Colombo until they quit the office. Colombo, Sri Lanka's largest city, was calm on Monday as hundreds of people strolled into President's Secretariat and residence and toured the colonial area buildings. Police made no attempt to stop anyone.